Good morning, children. Today's date is 19th of January. Year is 2021 and today's day is Tuesday. In our numeracy class, I am introducing the number 14. Okay? So how does 14 look like? 1 and 4 makes 14. We already know number 4, isn't it? But when you put 1 before the number, not after, before the number, that is behind the number 4, if you put 1, it makes 14. Okay. So here I have few sweets. So let us count them. How many sweets do I have here? Beginning with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we did forward counting from number 1 to number 14. Yes, and we saw that when we were counting forward, what was happening? Our numbers were getting bigger and bigger. Yes, so the number that I started counting with, yes, my beginning number is number 1. Here, when I was counting, the beginning number is 1. And what was the last number that I said? The last number that I said was number 14. Yes? So from 1 to 14, which number do you think is my biggest number? Yeah, which number is the biggest? Is number 1 biggest? Is number 2 biggest? 3, 4, 5. Yes, you have to compare and tell me from 1 to 14 which is my biggest number. सबसे बड़ा number कौन सा है? So the biggest number from 1 to 14 is number 14. Yes, and which number is the smallest number? सबसे छोटा number कौन सा है? It's number 1. Yes, number 1 is the smallest number in between 1 and 14. Yes, so today you were introduced to number 14. So I want that you can all confidently count. Yes, and also recognize the number 14. Let's also do backward counting. Now that we did forward counting from 1 to 14, let us try doing backward counting from 14 to 1. Okay, so we'll jump backwards starting from 14. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yes. Now when I did backward counting, you observed that my numbers were getting smaller and smaller. Yes, I started from the biggest number, and what was happening? My numbers were getting smaller and smaller till I reached the smallest number, that is 1. Yes, so I also want you to revise backward counting. Yes, you should be doing this with the help of objects, any objects, yeah, your favorite toys, your color pens, yes, anything around your house that you would like to count. Count the trees, count the leaves on the plants, yes, but I want you to do both forward counting as well as backward counting.